Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. It's a new day, it's a new dawn, it's a new life for me. I love it, I love it, I love it. Thank you for coming out. Magic, magic, magic. Woo! Light, light, light up the sky. 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 Come on. Light, light, light up the sky. Come on. Light, light, light up the sky. 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 Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Light, light, light up the sky. Light, light, light up the sky. Maybe you can see it, maybe you can't. The light coming out of the shadows. The light piercing through the clouds. Maybe you can see it, maybe you can't. Maybe you can feel it, maybe you can't. But everyone wants to. Everybody wants to feel the power of God that dwells in them. Look, creation. Everything you do is creating. All of it, everything. The hard parts, the easy parts. When you're scared, when you're happy, when you're playful, when you're angry, everything is creating. You are creating. Woo! See that light? Oh, you can't. You're creating by your will. And so only you can find the way through those things. Support is available. Support is here. You have to be willing to receive. Here comes the light. Ah, thank you. Light, light, light up the sky. I see you. Light, light, light up the sky. Light, light, light up the sky. All who have eyes to see and ears to hear will be able to break down the walls of Jericho, will be able to penetrate the realm by an energetic force that lives inside you, not outside you. And you will be able to see deeper than the surface. You will be able to feel deeper than the surface. You will be able to embody the power to move. To move all things. The light is reflecting off the water. I don't know, you can probably see it a little bit in the camera, but I am calling out the light because I have the power vested in me through God who entrusts me. God who has chosen me to show what the power of God activated inside you looks like. Magic, 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 miraculous magic. As always has been and always will be, by the believers, by the believers, by the believers. Light, light, light up the sky. Light, light, light up the sky. Light, light, light up the sky. Here it comes. Come on. You can't unsee this. You can't unfeel this. Truth and words, sound penetrating the realm. The words I am speaking are reflecting because of my faith, because of my understanding, because of my knowing, because of having no fear to be seen. All will be shown. Revival. I'm calling in revival in every heart, in every mind, in every soul, no matter what age, no matter what you've done. I'm calling revival. Hey, little birdie. Oh, you're so cute. Light, light, light up the sky. Come on. Light, light, light up the sky. Ah, I wish you could see it. Hopefully the camera's showing you. Thank you, 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 Mother. Thank you, Father. Thank you for showing what I'm speaking is real. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for showing what I am speaking is real. And if you could stand here with me in the ocean, the water. I enjoy the dance of the light playing peekaboo with me right now. That is what I'm asking it to do, so it can be shown in a real way. But the light, although cannot be seen right now through the sky and the clouds, the light on the water is still present. Because all things are going to be shown that we're in the dark. The darkest parts of you need to be felt in order to bring out the best version of you. All things matter that you experienced, all of them. And there's a paddleboarder right under the light out there. Love it. And a bird. Light, light, light up the sky. I see you all. Light, light, light up the sky. Light, light, light up the sky. Light, 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 light. Yes. You can feel what I feel. You can see what I see. You can know what I know. All things, all things, all things. You are all things. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Peace of God. Peace of God. You are a piece of God. You're not God. You're an extension of God. God. That's a whole sermon. Christina. Hey, birdie. I see you. Light, light, light up the sky. 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 The light is reflecting on the water. Sovereign nation. That is what we are to be. A sovereign nation. Golden era. Light, light, light up the sky. Light, light, light up the sky. Light, 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 light. Light, light, light up the sky. All is to be felt. All is to be felt. All is to be seen. All is to be heard. All is to be one. One, 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 one. One unified field of glory. Not separate. Connected. Through the root. Through all timelines. All is connected. Oh, Shaddai, I adore you, yeah. Lover of my life, I behold you. If you don't believe, even when you see, that's because there's conflict inside you still. Conflict inside you still, somewhere, preventing you from receiving and accepting the truth that I am speaking. The truth that I know. You are seeing it, and if you cannot see it and feel it, there is conflict still inside you. So what needs to leave? What needs to go? What needs to be released? Where is the blockage? Where is the blockage? Clear the way. Only you can choose to do it. Nobody can do it for you. Nobody. Enjoy the light. Enjoy the light. Enjoy the light.